on us to do some ISS work, and they even let us stay up for an extra day to fix the carbon dioxide removal assembly. So Butch and Sunny will be there, and they're ready, and they've had station training. They even have some parts of their spacewalking suits available.
Yeah, as a reminder, Butch and Sunny are not going to be part of the expedition that's already on the International Space Station. They're there for about 8 days, and really their mission is to test out Starliner and how it integrates with the ISS. So if needed, they may be called upon to do stuff with the expedition crew that's up on the space station now, but they have their own very specific mission while they're up there for 8 days. 2 hours and 10 minutes, 15 seconds until liftoff. Both Butch and Sunny now inside Starliner, ready to go. And we don't see any pad team members anymore.
Minus 2 hours, 10 minutes.
There they are.
Yes.
ECS, Elsie.
ECS?
Adjust TISA flow rate to 170 pounds per minute.
Roger.
Yes, we don't see any pad team members inside because they are outside. And that is because they have gone through Starliner to make sure, again, that everything that is not supposed to be there is out, because they will soon close that side hatch you see right behind them.
Yeah, there's a running joke with the Boeing team and Sunny that they think that I might have stowed away on board, but I assure you, I am not on board the Starliner today. But when they do fly, my heart goes with them, of course, along with the hearts of I think just about everyone else on planet Earth.
Well said, Mike. Well said. And now I know why you were assigned to the broadcast, to make sure you didn't stow away.
Yes.
Keep an eye on you. See, look, we're keeping an eye on you. The camera is trained on you to make sure you're here at the host desk.
If I do step out in the next 10 minutes, pay no attention to the cameras.
Now, going up with Butch and Sunny tonight is artwork from children all over the world. In collaboration with the Space Foundation, Boeing asked for drawings and paintings in response to the question, which historical space pioneer inspires you? They received about 3,500 entries from 66 different countries and 35 U.S. states. Every single entry will be flown as a digital file. The artists, ages 3 to 18, received a certificate showing their masterpiece would be flown to the International Space Station.
Those are really cool pieces of art, and it's so neat to see that children from all over the world took part in it, are excited about, what we here at NASA and our partners are doing to explore the unknown. That's a great one. Look at that. Very detailed, beautifully drawn. This one again from Singapore. We just saw one from Mexico, Slovakia.
So not only are the hearts going up, but our beautiful, the beautiful artwork from our children are flying to space.
This one from New Mexico. Really great. And I know that outreach in particular to Sunny, both Sunny and Butch, but I know that Sunny really enjoys, we've talked about this before, really outreach, specifically with children. She has an elementary school in Massachusetts named after her, and I know she does a lot with them.
Yes, I think on her NASA bio at one time she was called a favorite aunt, because she is so appreciated, not just to her niece and nephew, but also to all the kids. In fact, I know my kids call her Sunny, auntie, right? So she's for sure an important part of a lot of kids' lives and a great inspiration.
2 hours, 6 minutes, and 51 seconds. So the pad team members, again, readying to close that side hatch. Mike, that side hatch, once closed, won't open until the crew returns to Earth after their mission, yeah?
Absolutely. So that's why we got to make sure that it has a great seal on it, so there's no leaks. And when it closes, it closes. And next time it should open, the ground team, including Brian Gartner, who was we talked about earlier, are going to be there, and they'll open it up and they'll see Sunny's smiling face somewhere in the United States Southwest.
And what are they doing here, Mike? They seem to be cleaning off their shoes. I'm assuming making sure there's no FOD, things like that.
Yes, the White Room has to stay nice and clean. They're waiting for a go right now for a hatch closure, since it is an important step, and they're a few minutes ahead of timeline. Around the mission control rooms around around the country, they're double checking that everybody's okay to close the hatch, and then proceed on with the rest of the launch.
And FOD is foreign object debris, so a fancy way of saying things, again, that are not supposed to be there need to stay off of anyone that's in the White Room. Obviously, Butch and Sunny, actually before Butch and Sunny both ingressed or got into Starliner, they were each checked by pad team members to make sure they didn't have any foreign object debris on them.
Yeah, Boeing's manufacturing here at the KSC has been really extra careful to keep Starliner extra clean in its development, and and putting it all together. We count all the tools that go in, we count all the tools that come out, and there's vacuum cleaners everywhere to get any little metal shavings or any little pieces of extra tape. And I've been very impressed how clean Starliner has been